Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. This episode we're going to continue to work on the driver's side. I am unfortunately unable to loosen these seized bolts, so I'm just going to make it a little easier, cut it off. I'm going to try to cut it after the threads, so at least I can count the threads coming down, get it kind of close. Naturally I'll need another alignment, but hey, it has to get done. And then we'll finish up this side. I might tackle the ball joint on the other side just to get that off. That way I can get the tool back to the rental place. So let's hop on that and get things moving. All right, so we got it cut off, probably not the safest way possible. However, I was wearing gloves as well as eye protection, just to kind of protect myself from any metal shaving. So got quite a bit of debris here on the floor. Let me clean that up and we'll work on getting this tie rod out. Alright, so got the new tie rod in. Definitely a heck of a lot stiffer than the other one. So I did get this tightened down. I did measure it and compare it to the old one. Got it as close as I could and actually taped it, so I was able to kind of get it where it needs to be. Again, I still get an alignment, but you know, we're getting it on there. I did kind of zip tie the front of this there, though I don't really think it's necessary on this boot. Didn't really do much. I do have to zip tie the back, however I didn't have any zip ties long enough. So that's an item that I'll add to my whiteboard, and then we'll get that on at some point. But I'm going to finish up this other side, see if I can get this bearing pressed into the spindle here. Alright, so got the bearing in as well as the clip here. So now get the hub and get that put in. Alright, so got the hub on. Everything seems to be aligned correctly. The only thing I didn't do is put the dust shield back on, which I really don't think is relevant. The thing's all beat up and nasty, so I probably won't even put that on, but I think it works. We'll get this thing mounted up on the car and get this thing put back together. guys, and everything's bolted up minus a cotter pin I gotta put in. New tie rods. Got the cotter pin on the bottom. Everything is tight. I do gotta put the axle nut on. I'll do that tomorrow once my impact gets charged. It kind of died on me when I was putting in the hub here, so I had to do it finish it by hand. But you know, hopefully I'll get my impact charged and I'll get this thing on and get this side completed, and then we'll work on the other side. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for today's episode of Scotty Knows. I was able to get the driver's side completed, minus a couple bits of hardware, axle nut, you know, cotter pin. I'll write that on my whiteboard, and that way I'll remember to put that on. But next we're gonna hop on the passenger side. That'll be the next episode. But I wanna thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, trying to come out with that content for you guys. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. So until then, peace.